Hey kids, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 8, Color Images. In the last lesson, we learned how binary is used to send black and white images. We're going to learn something a little more exciting and how we use binary to send color images. In the last lesson, we used a 1 or a 0 to turn a pixel on or off. In the real world though, pixels are not just black or white, they're in color. More specifically, red, green, and blue. If you could zoom in really far on your screen, you would see a pixel actually looks like this. Notice the red, green, and blue. Knowing that, we can apply our binary to a color image. Here, you will see we have an image that is 4 by 2 pixels. This time we're including that in our image data. For now, we can call that metadata. 000 0100 is binary for 4, our width. The next number is our height. The final one is new. That's our bits per pixel. This is just how our information is grouped. Notice how the first two are grouped in 8 numbers, which is a byte. Now we are telling our bits they're going to be grouped in 3, which if you remember what I just said, matches up to our red, green, blue. I can turn a pixel red by turning on the red in the red, green, blue. That would be 100, you see right here. Turning the green on and the others off in red, green, and blue gives us green. You can see here that's 010. We can also mix colors like red and green to get yellow, which would be 110. If we increase our bits per pixel, we can get more colors. Now, instead of just 1 red, we have 3. So we can turn the red intensity on a lot or just a little. So over here, you can see that we have just the 3rd red on out of 3. And over here, we have all 3 of them on. So it gets redder the more red that I turn on. Same thing with the green here. The more green that I add to my pixel, the greener color that I'm going to get. And this is how we can represent all of the different colors in the rainbow. Through this, you should start to understand that while we can certainly represent a lot of colors, we are still limited in what we can do because digital is just on or off. And really, you should start noticing that smoothness that we see in a lot of art or analog is really difficult to recreate in the binary world.